How to plant persimmon fruit for fruit plants around the house for beginners. Persimmon, known by the scientific name of the foot Diospyros, is a type of fruit from the Diospyros clan originating from China. Persimmon fruit trees have a size of about 15 meters with many branches. Branches are short and bent. The leaves of the persimmon tree have a round, ovoid shape to push it in a shiny yellow-green color. The fruit is with round or rectangular shape. The color of the fruit is yellowish to red-green with a diameter of about 2 to 8 inches. Persimmon fruit is often called flirty fruit because on the outer part of the persimmon skin there is powder-like powder. In young persimmon contains tannin substances called tannin feet which cause sepat taste in persimmon fruit and will decrease following the maturity of fruit. Tannin foot substances are usually used to preserve handicrafts, to help produce Japanese rice wine, and can be used for disease treatment. Usually to relieve the feeling of persimmon, the fruit of persimmon smeared with lime water and then param. Scientific classification of persimmon fruit. Kingdom, Platy. Division, Magoliophyta. Class, Magoliosidae. Order, Iracales. Family, Abaceae. Genus, Diospyros. Species, Diospyros legs. Persimmon has many benefits of persimmons, while the benefits of persimmons include: can prevent hardening of the arteries, can keep blood pressure from crossing the normal threshold, can prevent cancer, can inhibit premature aging, can maintain flexibility of blood vessels and stabilize blood pressure, can nourish the lungs, can strengthen the spleen, can keep your body slim and lose weight, can be a hypertensive drug, can be used as a medicine for asthma and cough with phlegm, can be used as a medicine for stomach ache, can be used as medicine for diarrhea and dysentery. The following are ways to plant persimmon fruit for fruit plants around the house for complete beginners. 1. Preparation of persimmon seeds. Persimmon plants can be bred through seeds, grafting, and root separation. Of the three methods, seeds that come from grafting will produce fruit faster. The method is to prepare a persimmon tree branch that has fruited as the top, and also prepare persimmon stems from the seeds as the bottom. Connect the two parts of this plant to blend together. Take care by regularly watering it. After the seeds are around 1 to 2 weeks old, you can move them to the planting site. 2. Persimmon planting land preparation. Persimmon trees should be planted directly on the ground, not using pots or polybags. Start planting by preparing the planting hole first, which has a size 50 x 50 x 50 centimeters. Put the manure into this hole to meet 2/3 of the total volume. Let the planting hole sit for 2 to 3 weeks so that the condition is normal again. 3. Planting persimmon seeds. Persimmon seeds that have been made can be implanted into the planting hole. The most ideal planting time is morning or evening when the rainy season begins. Remove the seeds from the polybag, then transfer them to the planting hole carefully. Watch out for damaged root systems. Cover the bottom of the seedlings using the surrounding soil. Then flush enough to increase humidity so that the seeds can adapt well. 4. Maintenance of persimmon plants. Plant maintenance includes clearing land of weeds growing around persimmon trees. Perform supplementary fertilization every 2 to 3 months using manure. Also control pest and disease according to the symptoms. It is recommended to trim the plants regularly to stimulate their growth, including forming the fruit. 5. Harvesting persimmon fruit. Persimmon fruit that has been cooked is easily recognizable. Some of the features that appear include skin color changing from pale green to yellow-orange or reddish-yellow, its diameter enlarges to 5 to 8 inches, and has a strong aroma. The way of harvesting is cutting the fruit stalk using a knife mounted on bamboo, egg. That is our video that discusses how to grow persimmons for fruit plants around the house for beginners. Hopefully the video that we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.